greetings to all dear students. Let me first introduce myself. I am Dr. Raghavan Gopalan, Regional Director in one of the National Research Laboratories and the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. I am also working as Adjunct Professor at IIT Madras. I am sure all of you are aware of the current pandemic situation, that is the coronavirus crisis and the consequence of lockdown situation. This lockdown has really offset the time and also all our schedules and programs. Especially the school students, you have lost the time for your school curriculum activities. Let us forget for the time being the lockdown and the time lost. Let us worry how do we manage the time at this time of crisis or any type of crisis in our day-to-day life. This is possible only by proper time management so that he become like a productive guy in the society or in a school or any other forum. Generally, efficiently manage the time lies in your hand and in your mind only. Under this lockdown situation, all establishments and schools are closed. As a student, you don't have any option rather than sitting at home. So what you will do, you can only do sitting in front of TVs, watching movies, chatting with your friends through mobiles, listening to the music, or spending some time for reading some books. It's not sufficient through your time management process. I call this as a fluid time. Fluid time means like a flow of free water. You know, when free water flows, it does not know which direction, where to go and where to end. This is the situation for all of us, not only to you, for all of us. It is a time of uncertainty, ambiguity, anxiety, frustration. We can overcome all these problems if we manage the time properly and use effectively in our day-to-day under this kind of crisis. This is what I call time management. So let us worry about why do we need time management. Time is God-gifted property in the universe. Universe is a three-dimensional one. That means you can see an object in the universe, you can see a moon, you can see a sun, but you cannot see a time. It's a fourth dimension, it has 4 dimensions. You can only see through the clock how it moves. You can only feel or observe the time through clocks. That means it's a very, very valuable property what God has given to us. Even the richest man, he cannot buy 1 second if it has passed. So as a student, you people must realize that the time is a valuable property you are going to have in your life throughout. Here are some tips I would like to share with you to follow the time management. First, register in your mind and heart. Time is a valuable property. And remember that time runs continuously and it never stops and it works tirelessly and makes you to follow it. And I would like to quote Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. You know, all of you know that he is a former president of India and a missile man of India also. He always interacts with the students and gives lot of messages to them whenever he meets them. 2 or 3 points I would like to share with you. In one of the interactions, he mentioned that life and time are the most valuable teachers in the world. Life teaches us to make how to use the time. Time teaches us how to use the life valuably. So life and time are the most important teachers in the world. He also mentioned that don't be happy with your first victory. That means don't take rest after the first victory. Second victory may be a failure. And there are many lips around you to talk about your first victory is a fluke or a luck if you fail in the second victory. That means you have to continuously work with the time to become a successful guy, to always be a productive guy in the society. And also, all of us may not have equal talent to follow the time management. But remember that all of us have equal opportunities to learn the time management. That's what I want to stress. All of us have equal opportunity to learn time management. If you adopt that, definitely you will be a successful guy in coming days. Some more tips I would like to give because we are running through a current crisis of lockdown. So at a home as a student, I would like to give some few tips which are all available anywhere in the globally, anywhere in the Google, or even anybody, parents are also telling about this advice. Make a diary or a schedule for a day. What are the things you are going to do in a day? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You make an importance of those activities which you want to carry out first. Okay. Second is, for studying purpose at home, you create a study space. For example, you can have a simple table and chair. If not, you have a floor. Make your books and notes and pens, all things available for you, and make a study atmosphere in that place. And keep that study space always away from TVs, musics, mobiles, so that you are away from the distraction. And more importantly, when you start studying, you tell your parents, brothers and sisters you are going to spend for study, so that they don't call you or disturb you during study time. And also put your 100% effort during study hours, that you have more focus or objective on what you want to do during study time. Another thing is, during study time, start with a easy subject so that you build confidence and go slowly to harder and hardest subjects. One more thing is, don't spend full time on your study time, spending time for studies only. You have to allot your time for relaxation. I call this as a reward time. Relaxation time is nothing but you watch TV of your favorable shows, sports, musics, spend some time chatting with your friends, playing with your brothers and sisters. This is important. I call it as the reward time. Another important thing is that if your school has scheduled some online classes during this crisis time, you have to make note of it on every day and get ready prepared on time to listen to the classes with all your preparations ready. This is very important because the teachers are doing a lot of homework for you, and you have to do also a lot of homework of listening to their work. Another thing is that apart from all these things, you have to devote some time for exercise. Any type of exercise, is a meditation or yoga or any other form which you are preferring to do the exercise. This is important in your day-to-day schedule. And it's not listed in any of the activities. I would like to say that you have to also help your parents, spend some time helping them parents in their homework, housework. This is very important. They like that also, and it's they will love, and parental attachment will be much more for you also during this crisis time. Finally, I would like to say that time management is an important aspect in our life. If you manage your time well, lot of things can be done within a stipulated time period what you want to carry out. Otherwise, I will say that you became the manager of the time rather than time became the manager of you. In simple sentence, I will say that we always say that we have to chase the time. But if you are a good time manager, time will chase you. That's what I want to say that. Finally, I wish you all of you keep safe from this corona and the pandemic situation. Keep isolated yourself and play safely, and also adopt this time management and come out with a flying color when you start your career in coming days. Best wishes.